There's nothing worse than getting a bill at the end of the month and not being able to understand it. We love AWS, but let's face it, their invoices are extremely frustrating. For example, you can't even get a basic schedule that shows how much you're paying for each of your EC2 instances. All of the charges are pulled apart into small pieces, combined with other line items, and then shown as a single line item on the invoice. It's massively confusing, and in the end, users just throw up their hands in frustration. A big part of our solution is providing customers with full cost transparency for their AWS environment. One of the ways that we do this is through the use of invoice templates. Invoice templates are awesome. They access the tens of thousands of lines of detailed billing information that sits behind your invoice. Invoice templates fully integrate with AWS tagging and allow you to effectively reconstruct your invoice in a format that actually makes sense for your business. For example, you can build an invoice template that organizes your cost by department, resource owner, or even by customer. This is especially helpful if you need to allocate your AWS cost to various internal cost centers. Each invoice template has full drill-down capabilities and can provide you with detailed cost information all the way down to the resource level. You just need to build the template one time, then going forward, you can quickly cycle between the different templates and easily analyze your invoices from multiple points of view. Invoice templates are incredibly flexible, and there are really no limits on how you can organize your invoice cost. Creating invoice templates is very simple and straightforward. Let's create a new invoice template that organizes our invoice by department. To get started, just click on the template button in the upper right corner. This is a list of all existing invoice templates. To create a new template, just click the New button. This is the template editor. There are 3 columns in the editor. The left column is a list of all available billing fields, as well as the AWS tags you have created. The middle column shows the selected fields and drill down path for your new invoice template. The right column shows you a quick preview of how the data will be presented in the invoice template. The entire editor is drag and drop, so just select the available fields and drag it to where you want it to appear in the drill down path for the invoice template. In this case, we are creating an invoice template that will sort our costs by department. Select the department tag field from the left column and simply drag it to the top of the middle column. Since we are placing it at the top of the middle column, it will appear first in the drill down stack. The right column shows you a preview of how the data will appear in your invoice template. You can also rearrange the order of the drill down stack by simply dragging and dropping the selected field to the desired location. Notice how the preview pane changed the order of the drill down stack. Once you have everything arranged like you want it, then just give the template a name and click Save. That's it. You've now created your first invoice template. To view your template, just select it from the drop-down list in the upper left corner. Now you can quickly view your invoice cost by department and then drill down to understand the total cost of their specific resources.